We got a Dodge Caliber today, and I'm going to show you guys how to replace a headlight bulb. If you guys having a problem with headlight bulbs, it's very simple and easy. So on this side, what you want to do is, you have more than enough clearance to get in there, but if you want more space, you turn this guy, and you should be able to just pull this forward and put this away. To put it back in, all you do is make sure this goes into the housing there, and you go back to the spot and you lock it back up. So the procedure on this side would be same. Since I'm right-handed, I'm going to work on this side and I'm going to show you guys. So what you want to do is, there's a connector here. So you want to put your hand in there and you want to squeeze that connector and remove that connector off. So we're going to go back in and using both hands, just squeeze it and just yank it back out. This thing comes out. Put the connector to the side and you're going to grab the two little earlobes around it and you're going to turn this guy. So it is a little bit tight in there, but you should be able to do this. Okay, just by turning this guy, the bulb and everything will turn. So the bulb looks something like this. It's a special bulb and it has 3 pins, so this is a high and low beam pretty much. So the bulb size here is gives you a number 98092, weird looking bulb. And to put it back in, make sure, remember this was up, so you're gonna, since we turned this way, now we need to turn that way. So you make sure you don't touch the glass part, because you have oil and grease in your fingers that will kill the life of the bulb. And what you want to do is, once you get a new bulb, you want to take this guy. It's okay, it's gonna take you time, okay? It might take you a good half an hour. So once you have it in the proper spot, all you want to do is you want to turn this guy. Putting it back is going to be much easier than taking it off. You take your connector and make sure your connector clicks on, it doesn't come back out. So this one comes back out, it's not in all the way yet. So I'm gonna squeeze the heck out of it. There you go, I felt it and it doesn't come out no more. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching, guys, and that's how you're gonna replace the high beam and low beam. And same thing on this side. To do the turn signal, you're gonna have to go behind that fender cover. So that you wanna do that, you're gonna have to push this out of the way a bit, but you're not doing that. Anyways, see you guys on the next one.